Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange bringing you a review of this week's stock market. This was a short week with markets closed Thursday for Christmas. On Monday, existing home sales for November were down 6.1% month to month and were especially disappointing considering the weather was mild, which should have boosted sales. This didn't bother markets much as both the S&P 500 and Dow Industrials closed at record highs. On Tuesday, the third quarter GDP growth was revised upward from 3.9% to 5%. This greatly exceeded analysts' expectations and prompted another rally, causing the S&P 500 to close at a record high, and the Dow Industrials closed above 18,000 for the first time. Also on Tuesday, durable goods orders for November were down 0.7% month to month, greatly below expectations. Personal income for November rose 0.4%, consumer spending for November rose 0.6%, and new home sales for November were down 1.6%. On Wednesday, jobless claims for the week ending December 20th were down 9,000 to 280,000. On Friday, stocks opened modestly higher on light volume as most other major markets around the world remained closed. Now let's take a look at some stocks. Dish Network shares fell sharply at the start of the week after the pay television provider announced that they have not renewed their contract with Fox News. As a result, Dish customers will not receive any programs from the popular channel. Gilead Sciences shares experienced a sharp decline of more than 15% after Express Scripts, a pharmacy benefit management company, decided to opt out of Gilead's hepatitis C treatment and replace it with AbbVie's newly approved treatment. Express thought Gilead's greater than $1,100 per pill price tag was too excessive. Bank of America Corp rallied further on Wednesday as Deutsche Bank reaffirmed their buy rating and stated that Bank of America will be one of their top picks for U.S. large-cap banks for the next 3 years. Deutsche further supported Bank of America by stating that the bank is the most leveraged to rising interest rates. Deutsche estimates the bank will have earnings per share value of $1.46 and $1.77 for the years 2015 and 2016 respectively. American Airlines Group shares were up more than 2% on Wednesday's short trading day after the airline announced that flight attendants will be receiving an additional 4% raise due to increased profits stemming from lower oil prices. Pilot contracts are up for negotiations next. American Airlines stated that the new offer to pilots would increase their pay 23% upon signing. Sears Holding Corp shares continued declining Wednesday following the announcement of e-commerce chief Imran Juma's resignation. Mr. Juma had served as the executive vice president and president of online marketing, pricing, and financial services. Mr. Juma's resignation comes at a critical time as Sears continues to struggle with their decreasing revenues. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker, and I'll see you again next week.